Merci. Thank you. See, I'm sick with the French, bro.
Yeah. How would you say? Would you like to come swimming?
Hey, baby. No, you say, je voudrais, vous, splashy. I don't know, bro. No, do you know what I say? I say, parlez-vous anglais? It means, do you speak English? And then I say, do you want to come swimming? Look, Dash, this is a celebrate moment. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Do your fucking dance.
Would you?
Oh, okay, he's the
bollocks is a
master.
swear word. Guess what, Tom? You said bollocks.
Yeah? I can see you behind me.
It's the ladies in the background. I didn't even talk until a second or two.
Right, here we go.
You go. Oi, shut up. Oi, man's hit it straight. That's first go. I think.
Listen, yeah, I just want to thank my mum, my dad, my brother,
Can you give us a
all
FIFA?
my exes.
Can you give us a FIFA celebration?
A FIFA celebration. This is a Mr. Haz FIFA celebration, okay? You ready?
That needs to be entered into FIFA.
Come on, bro.
They need to make a Mr. Haz celebration.
You ever wanted to drink so much you just feel like it's teasing you? Huh?
Yes.
That's crazy. Oh my goodness. I am thirsty. 5 seconds. Celebratory dance. Play the music.
Bodyguard mode!
There we go! I told you! Run the f***ing clip!
You got another forfeit, my brother.
See, Mason. I'm going for Mason. Oh, Mason!
I don't know where he's at. I actually don't know where he's at.
I'm coming to get you, boy. I'm coming to get you, boy.
This is not looking good, bruv.
There he is.
Oh shit, I saw him running.
There he is.
I'm coming to get you. I got you.
So basically, which is more gay, giving or taking?
I'm not doing this podcast. I'm not doing this podcast, bro. I'm not doing this podcast, bro. No way. I can't answer that question, bro. I'm not doing it. I'm going back for my hat.
Would you like us to go and have a look?
Go, my minions, go. Oh, there he is.
Come and get me! Come and get me!
Right, minions, go.
I found him!
You've got to shoot the red spade. Let me set the scene for you. I'm at my ex's house. And I've just seen a new man. No, I'm joking. Fuck off. I'm not even going to go there. I'm not going to go there. All right, cool. You ready?
No. Wait, am I putting a timer on again?
All right,
See how long it
tell
takes
me when
you.
you're ready.
Ready, set, go!
No. I'm pussy fatted, bro. It went. Just as I was talking about my ex. Joe, hurry up, man. I want to finish this, bro. Hurry up.
Is it normal to get a headache?
Bro, I can't feel nothing. I'm not panicking or that.
I just went to sleep and empty glass of water.
I don't know how the fuck he said, bro. I don't know what the fuck he said. I don't want to argue about Hubble. I don't know what he said. I want to fucking know. Where have you left me?